Hey guys, it's Rob from Ultimate Diesel Tuning. Here is a brand new Mitsubishi Triton MR 2021 model, and it's only got a few thousand kilometers on the clock. We've already fitted a few engine goodies to this one, so let's have a look at it. But before we do, make sure you subscribe to our Ultimate Diesel YouTube channel, which we drop a video every week. We've supplied and fitted an HBD brand engine oil catch can. Fitment on one of these helps to solve the restrictive diesel soot issues that all common rail turbo diesel engines will develop. They simply catch the excessive engine oil vapours that are produced from the engine's crankcase pressure to prevent them from going back through the engine. We recommend all diesel engines, brand new or older, should be fitted with one of these cans. We have videos on our YouTube channel about the diesel soot issues, so make sure you check them out. A bigger intercooler will help with the efficiency of the engine, so help keep the power and torque more sustainable across the rev range. We use the PWR branded intercooler kits here at Ultimate Diesel Tuning for the Tritons. They are direct bolt-up fit, are substantially larger and thicker than the OEM intercoolers, and lead to greatly reduced air intake temperatures for the engine. If you tow a lot with your rig, an intercooler upgrade is a great addition for your engine. We are also custom dyno tuning this one for more power and torque and less turbo lag. Before we do that, we're going to carry out the pre-tune inspection, so let's get it in the workshop and get it all underway. This is a very important part of the tuning procedure here at Ultimate Diesel Tuning. It is to ensure the engine is in good condition, all fluid levels are good, and there are no fluid leaks. The inspection on the Triton has now been completed. It's all good to go, so let's get it on the dyno. This Triton is a daily driver, and it also tows a caravan on trips. It's got slightly more weight with the racks on top, but nothing really substantial. The owner is after more power and torque for towing, so with the tune, we're going to be concentrating on achieving this for him, as well as taking into consideration what the vehicle is being used for. First of all, for our custom dyno tuning procedure, we carry out power runs on our all-wheel drive dyno in standard form to get base power and torque figures at the wheels. This is how we know which vital information and figures we are starting off with for each vehicle, as every engine is different. We also test to confirm the engine is running properly with no underlying mechanical issues, then we carry out the custom dyno tune. Our tuning process involves altering the software within the vehicle's factory ECU. Using our specialist software, our engineering team is able to carry out recalibration of numerous engine control parameters, such as torque limiting, desired torque, fuel injection maps, boost control, and many more. Via the use of our dyno, we can accurately test these software changes to each individual car whilst data logging the engine's performance after each software revision. This process sees multiple tunes tested until optimised power and torque is achieved based on the vehicle's use. It's truly a customised tuning process. We've now completed the custom dyno tune on the Triton. Let's have a look at the results. When the Triton presented to us in standard form, it had 101 kilowatts of power and 364 Nm of torque at the rear wheels. After we completed the custom dyno tune and fitted the front mount intercooler, the vehicle went to 139 kilowatts and 471 Nm of torque. This represented a 37% gain in peak power and 29% gain in torque. The owner of this MR Triton will be absolutely wrapped with an extra 29% gain in torque when he drives out of here this afternoon. To recap, we supplied and fitted an engine oil catch can, fitted an upgraded intercooler, and finished it off with a custom dyno tune. So if you're thinking of improving the performance of your diesel vehicle, this is what we specialise in here at Ultimate Diesel Tuning. So give us a call or drop into one of our performance centres in Brisbane, Gold Coast and Melbourne. As well as that, we've got a dealer network all around Australia. And remember, subscribe to us on YouTube at Ultimate Diesel Tuning.